Organizing and presenting data in scientific writing. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of scientific writing, especially when it comes to organizing and presenting data. This is an essential skill to master, as clear data presentation can make or break your research paper. Let's get started, and remember, clarity is key when it comes to scientific data. In scientific writing, your data tells the story. It validates your hypothesis, supports your claims, and provides the foundation upon which your entire research rests. Organizing data. 1. Ensures clarity. Readers can quickly understand your findings. 2. Adds credibility. A well-organized presentation means meticulous research. 3. Facilitates peer review. Reviewers can assess your findings more easily. When it comes to showcasing your data, there are various methods. Here are a few. 1. Tables. These are great for raw data or when you have multiple variables. Remember to title each table and label your columns and rows clearly. 2. Graphs and charts. Useful for showing trends or comparisons. Examples include bar graphs, line charts, and pie charts. 3. Diagrams and flowcharts. Perfect for illustrating processes or systems. 4. Photographs and images. Can be used when visual representation adds value to the explanation. Tip: always caption your figures and ensure they are referred to within the text. Here are some golden rules. 1. Keep it simple. Avoid overloading your tables or charts. If data can be simplified, do it. 2. Maintain consistency. If you're using specific units, color schemes, or labeling methods, keep them consistent throughout. 3. Prioritize clarity. If a certain method of presentation makes the data clearer, use it, even if it's not the most flashy or innovative. 4. Cite sources. If your data comes from external sources, always give credit. Even the best organized data needs the right words to back it up. 1. Be precise. About 50% and nearly half can mean very different things in scientific contexts. 2. Avoid jargon. Use clear and straightforward language, especially if you anticipate a diverse readership. 3. Use the active voice. For example, we observed an increase in X, rather than an increase in X was observed. 4. Ensure flow. Ensure that the text that surrounds your data tables or charts flows smoothly, guiding the reader through your findings. Organizing and presenting data in scientific writing is both an art and a science. The clearer and more organized your data presentation, the more impactful your research will be. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of data organization in scientific writing. Keep practicing, and always aim for clarity and precision. Happy writing!